Hello and welcome to Kayam New Things. My name is Kayam and all of you are watching my YouTube channel Kayam New Things. First thing first, please subscribe Kayam New Things. Guys, today I am going to show all of you the Woodland men's sandal in camel color and the model number is Ogdc 3706120 and in this video the size is 10 UK and 44 Euro. Let's unbox it. Been brought from Amazon.in and the price of the Woodland men's sandal rupees 1956 rupees and the MRP is 2795 rupees. Check it out, links are description box below the video. Price is dependent upon your foot size. Now it is time to wear the Woodland camel sandal. After a walk, this is the perfectly genuine leather casual looking sandal for you who are daily walking around roads, pathway or even public places. So these Woodland sandals are perfectly fine and good to go for you. Let's talk about Woodland sandals in details. Material type leather, closer type buckle and slope heel type flat. Water resistant label, actually no water resistance are here. This sandal. Country of origin India. About this item: outer material leather, closer type hook and loop, warranty type manufacturer. Additional information: manufacturer Arrow Club. This sandal weight at 1 kg. Dimension is 25 into 10.5 into 3 centimeters. On the final conclusion, these woodland sandals are quite good, durable, lasting about years. Casual, it's looking pretty good sandal, and brown is attractive to me, and as always, great quality with great price. For offbeat walking and tough use, even these woodland sandals are not affected the sole and sandal straight. Great experience, comfort walking in this pair of woodland sandal. Perfect to complete your relaxed look. This edgy choice of footwear blend style and comfort effortless. You can go for another color like khaki. Check it out, this woodland sandal. Links are description box below the video. Friends, please tell me in the comment box below, actually this woodland sandal men are looking good or bad, and finally this woodland sandal is worth it or not. Please tell me in the comment box below. Check it out another videos on the Windows box, short videos on the card upper side right corner. So if all of you enjoy this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Kayam New Things. Friends, lot more content coming soon. Thank you for watching Kayam New Things. Take care, goodbye. I will see you soon in the next video.